Fluent English Practice.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fluent English Practice. Today we are going to learn phrasal verbs, small phrases that make your English sound natural and fluent. In this video, you will learn what phrasal verbs are, why they are important, and how to use them step by step with simple examples and dialogues. We will learn 20 very common phrasal verbs that you can use in daily life. I will explain each one slowly and clearly so you can repeat after me and improve your speaking skills. So relax, get comfortable, and let's begin learning phrasal verbs together, step by step, easy and clear. What are phrasal verbs? A phrasal verb is a combination of verb plus preposition or verb plus adverb. For example, get up, turn on, look after, pick up, run out of. When we add the second word, the meaning of the verb changes. For example, look means to see, but look after means to take care of someone. Phrasal verbs are used by native speakers all the time, so if you want to sound natural, learning them is very important. Today I will teach you phrasal verbs step by step with simple examples. Before we learn the verbs, here is the step-by-step method we will use. Step 1. Listen to the phrasal verb. I will say each verb slowly. Step 2. Learn the meaning. I will explain the meaning clearly and simply. Step 3. See short examples. I will give small, easy sentences you can repeat. Step 4. Listen to a short dialogue. This helps you understand how to use the phrasal verb in real life. Step 5. Repeat after me. Speak the sentences out loud. This helps improve pronunciation and memory. Step 6. Review everything at the end. This step-by-step method will help you learn naturally and confidently. Now let's start with the first phrasal verb of the day. Get up means to wake up and leave your bed. Examples: I get up at 7 a.m. every day. She gets up early for school. Please get up, you will be late. Turn on means to start something, like a light or device. Examples: please turn on the light. Can you turn on the TV? I turned on the fan. Turn off means to stop something. Examples: she turned off the light. Please turn off your phone. He turned off the AC. Look for means to search for something. Examples: I'm looking for my keys. She is looking for her phone. They are looking for a new house. Look after means take care of someone. Examples: I look after my sister. She looks after her baby. Can you look after my dog? Pick up means to lift something. To collect someone. Examples: she picked up the phone. Pick up your bag. I will pick up my friend at 5. Put on means to wear clothes. Examples: she put on her jacket. Put on your shoes. He puts on his glasses. Take off means remove clothes. Examples: she took off her jacket. She took off her hat. Take off your shoes. Run out of means to have no more of something. Examples: we ran out of milk. They ran out of time. I ran out of money. Wake up means to stop sleeping. Examples: I wake up early. Wake up. It's time for school. She woke up late yesterday. Give up means to stop trying. Examples: don't give up. He gave up smoking. She won't give up her goals. Calm down means to relax after being upset. Examples: please calm down. He calmed down after a few minutes. She needs to calm down. Sit down means take a seat. Examples: please sit down. She sat down on the sofa. He sat down to rest. Stand up means rise from a seat. Examples: stand up, please. She stood up quickly. He stood up and left. Go out means to leave home for social activities. Examples: let's go out tonight. She goes out with friends. They went out for dinner. Come back means return. Examples: come back soon. She came back late. They will come back next week. Bring up means to mention a topic. Examples: don't bring up old problems. She brought up a new idea. He brought up an interesting point. Call back means return a phone call. Examples: I'll call you back. She called back later. Please call me back soon. Write down means to record something on paper. Examples: write down your homework. She wrote down the address. He wrote down the number. Carry on means continue. Examples: carry on, please. She carried on working. He carried on talking.